Pasha was a betrayal of the trust I had in you. That's not good to betray my brother. Why would I weep if I don't miss you? How can I ever forget our time together with you? If it was something I did that is happening, please come back. Came back, bro. Yes, hello everyone, Kuki people, Sepai Kalem, Nadam, Namo, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. This is your African boy, Gabs, Gabi, guys, and still we are getting a lot of music suggestion to check out here from the Kuki people, guys. So today we are checking a new person. The song title is Ngailou, hileng. Tell me what does it mean, guys, and sorry if I pronounce it wrong because I don't know the Kuki Thadou language. So to Thadou KUKI music video we are reacting from BoisonKipGen. That is the channel owner, guys. So we're gonna check it out. We have the English subtitle here in this music, so obviously I'm going to understand it. And thanks to everyone who joined, who subscribed to my family, to my channel, guys. I love it. Thanks for the appreciation. Wishing you all the best and peace out in Kukiland, guys. I know what is happening now there. We are praying for you and we are wishing you all peace and safety. Stay safe, guys. So that is it. Let's go. Let's see this guy today, what he got for us. Jenny. We have Kevin and Jenny. Those are their actors, maybe, right? The actors of today. Amang. Wounded and broken, you left me and walked away from my life. Don't you love me anymore? My brother is broken, man. She just left him. We are destined to part away like this from the stage. Why will I keep it? I don't miss you. This place is nice. How can I ever forget our time together? You even? That's the question. How can I ever forget our time? Forgive my brother. This guy have their ups and downs and the honor. Wow, I love this part. This is so beautiful. Why would I weep if I don't miss you? Unwavering and unexcessive love. Pasha was a betrayal of the trust I had in you. That's not good to betray my brother. Why would I weep if I don't miss you? How can I ever forget our time together with you? If it was something I did not deserve, please come back. She came back, bro. Woo. Yes, now give her the necklace. She finally came back. Yes, yes, brother. Congrats. Amazing, guys. This is a heartbroken song, but it's a lovely song at the same time, and this is just so nice, so amazing, guys. And it's my first time checking this guy. Oh my gosh, this guy is so good. He's so good, guys. And the way they directed the music video, guys, is really so meaningful, so amazing. Like, it's a really great work, and I love the song, guys. I really love the song. This is not only just a song, but this is kind of also things that used to happen in real life. I might say this song is coming out based on a true story, if not happened to him, maybe to anyone also, guys, because you know this world is unpredictable, guys. So today we are down, tomorrow we are up. Like, it's all about up and down. But remember, never give up, guys. And this song can teach us a lot about how to trust each other, guys. How to trust each other, because love is not only, it's nothing without trust. And it was just amazing. This is so amazing. I'm pretty sure you all love this song. Tell me, what does it mean by Ngailou hileng, guys? This is amazing. All the best for the whole team, guys. Love from Africa. Don't forget, support such people, guys. They have so amazing talent. This music is really worth watching, and do support them. And don't forget, also subscribe to my channel for more reaction and vlogs. Wishing you all the best, guys. Peace out.